Hi guys, my name is Sheikh Imran and today I'm going to teach you, this is my first chapter in fact, so today I'm going to teach you about how to create companies in Tally. So I hope everyone knows that what is Tally and what is for used for. So as we all know that we use Tally to maintain all the financial transactions, accounting records and all. So this is one software in which we can easily maintain accounting records, sale, purchase, payment receipt and some taxation parts also as well. So today I'm going to teach you the first step, how to create company in Tally. Unless and until we will not have the company, then how are we going to maintain the accounting records of transactions in it? So guys, please give full attention in this. So this is the first step and this is the first video. I'm going to teach you how to create companies in Tally, and after that how we are going to maintain the accounting records of transactions. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to create companies in Tally. Okay, here we go. First you have to go to Tally, open the Tally software, and you have to come to the gateway of Tally. So Tally is of two types. It's one is license, which you buy from the general companies or general software companies, and one is educational mode Tally. Like when we go practice, it's a free software. When you go for practice or when we use this Tally software for practice only, so we just download this Tally from the internet from tallysolution.com. So my one is also a practicing mode, so I'm going to teach you on work in educational mode. Then here's already one company is created, that's called Imran Agencies. It's from my name only. Okay, so I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you how to create a new company, how to create a new company for maintaining accounting records and transactions. You have to go, first you have to select company info, or you can generally click F3, Alt F3. So I'm not going in a shortcut first. Let's go a step by step. So first you have to click company info. Then here you can find all the options and all. Select company, shut company, create company. So you have to select create company. So new page is open. Now you can generate new companies for the maintaining accounting records and all. So they are asking the name of the company. So first is name of the company, then you can give the respective name of the company what you have kept, or as per your trade license now. So for example, take it as example, like my company name is Laptop.ERP. My name is Laptop.ERP and I am dealing with the computer peripherals, laptops and all the mouse and keyboard and all. Mailing name can be same, or you can give your respective name as choice for you. Address, you can give your office address. I am giving Chandni Chowk email, suppose. I'm having a center, I'm having a shop inside the email. Country is India, state West Bengal. Then you can get the pin code 70001. You can give your mobile number as well. So if you wish to give, then you can give your phone number, mobile number, fax, email. I'll give my email for considerations. financial year begins from? Yeah. So as we all know that what is the financial year? It starts from 1st April to 31st March next year. So here is written financial year begins from 1st April 2020, but now it's going on 2020 only, right? Yeah. So I'm maintaining my books from 1st April 2020. That's okay, fine. Then book begins from same date will be there, 1st April 2020. Then you don't have to do anything anymore. You just press enter, enter, and go on till accept. Then here's showing that accept yes or no. You have to accept. You have to click on yes, I accept. You can see the company will be created. See, this is my company, which was already existing company, and this is a new which I have just made it, recently made it. So what I'm doing, I'm closing this company, closing my company, shut down. Only this company. See, Laptop and Protect. So I have made one company. Name of the company is Laptop and Protect. Date of last entry is no watch entered. Till now, I haven't entered any financial transactions or accounting records. So this was just a way of making or creating new companies. I hope you like the video, and it's my first video, so I'll come with more videos very soon. And stay blessed, everyone, and I hope this video will work out for you. Thank you.